Hello again. Any of you who maybe watched the last riding video that I did on the Zoomer will know that I was talking about increasing the storage space. I'm going to put back on the rear rack, which I have, and also possibly the top box. Now, I put the rear rack back on, that was fine, but the top box, as I half thought, isn't going to go on with the new backrest because it doesn't allow you to there's no room to fit the top box on and obviously open it up. So the top box isn't any use at the moment, although I'll hang on to it because at some point I'll probably buy another scooter and it'll do for that. I don't want to lose the backrest because the backrest is absolutely brilliant. It's one of the best things I've got for the Zoomer. It improves the way you sit on the bike. It improves the comfort of the bike. It's great. So the backrest is a stayer. So I still need to look at increasing the luggage capacity a bit because all I've got is the Kemimoto bag under the seat, which doesn't hold a lot when you've got your chains and locks in it to start with, and also the odd tool and kind of WD-40, the sort of stuff that you carry around for emergencies. So what I've done is I've bought a metal basket on eBay, which is this, which I'm going to fit onto the rack. Now this was about 13 quid on eBay. That's the brand name there. It's Adi, however you pronounce that. It's really solid. It's obviously all painted properly. It's black. It's coated in whatever that is, some kind of rubber stuff that saves the metal. Now my only concern with a ride is a bit bigger than I expected, so I'm going to see how it looks. But I think it'll be on okay. It'll fit on. It might be a little higher than I would have liked, but I think that the width is okay. It's quite good quality because also with it you get a whole metal fitting kit, metal bars, bolts, that sort of thing. I put washers in myself just to hold it onto the rack, but nice little solid metal fittings which we will use. I mean, obviously, you could just cable tie it onto the rack, but we want something that's going to, be a bit more substantial than that and not encourage anyone to help themselves to it. Now with that, I've also got a dry bag. This is a waterproof tube bag for putting anything in that I want. It's basically just for work clothes. It's for my lunch for work, changing clothes for work, that sort of thing. So that'll go in, that'll sit into the rack, hopefully, and then to keep it all secure while we're riding along, we have a Silverline bungee cord, bungee net thing with the clips, which will obviously just fit nicely over the rack and keep everything together while we're riding along. So that's the plan. So I'm going to go down and see how this looks first of all. If it is ridiculously big, then I might look at getting something smaller, but I think, it'll do. Attach this to the rack and then give you a wee look at that and see how it all looks. So it's just a simple video, just trying to increase the storage capacity on the Zoomer if you can't use the top box, which I can. And actually, this is quite a good option because obviously this is a lot lighter than the top box. I'm not going to be carrying luggage every day, and the top box that I have is one of the ones that it screws sort of, well, semi-permanently onto the rack it has. It's not one you can just unclip and take off, so you're kind of like stuck with it all the time on the bike, even when you're not using it. So if this works, then this is quite a good second option. So that's today's plan. Fit the basket, see how it looks like, and see if we can increase the luggage capacity a bit. Thank you. Okay, so what do you think? I don't think it looks too bad. Actually angles in nicely to tuck in behind the backrest. Plenty carry space, which is quite neat. That's the brackets that come with it, metal brackets. Screws, nylon bolts. I'll just put some washers underneath just to hold it on. Steady as anything, very lightweight, so it's not going to add to the weight if I'm not using it. Looks a bit industrial maybe, but it's going to do the job brilliantly. So that's it, alternative for the top box. That'll do for the time being. As always guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. Plenty more mad things coming up I'm sure. Thanks very much, cheers.